Chet Kelly. I'm the lead engineer for the ROBUS CONNECT range of products. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Switch Connect and the Bluetooth gateway. The range already includes lighting products such as the Ultimum Connect downlight, the GLS Connect, the Filament Connect, non-lighting such as the PIR and the Plug Connect, and cameras such as the doorbell and the outdoor camera. The ROBUS Switch Connect is a new addition to the ROBUS Connect range. They come in these neat boxes. The ROBUS Switch Connect increases the way that homeowners can interact with the smart products within their home. The existing products in the ROBUS Connect range can be controlled in 3 different ways. Number 1, we can use the ROBUS Connect app to turn lights on or off. Here I have the floor lamp controlled, turning off, turning on. Number 2, we can use Alexa. Alexa, turn off the sitting room. Alexa, turn on the sitting room. Number 3, we can use automations. In the ROBUS Connect app, I have an automation set that turns on the GLS Connect in the hall when the PIR Connect detects motion at the front door. All of these ways are easy, but in my opinion, the Switch Connect makes things even easier. So let's get set up and I'll show you how. In the gateway box, we have our Wi-Fi to Bluetooth gateway and a USB cable for power. Each gateway can support up to 100 switches. The Switch Connect has a 2-year warranty, and the included battery has a battery life of up to 2 years. It is a long range of 25 meters between the switch and the gateway. The Switch Connect includes double-sided adhesive tape, so you can mount it anywhere or just use it as a portable remote. Each Switch Connect has 2 buttons. Each button can activate up to 3 scenes using a single press, a double press and a long press. As it uses Bluetooth technology, it is completely wire-free. The gateway can be powered from any USB source, such as an old phone charger or a USB port socket. First you need to get the gateway paired up and connected to the Wi-Fi. If the red light is flashing, the gateway is in pairing mode. If it's not in pairing mode already, press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds until the red light starts to flash. On the ROBUS Connect app, just click Add Device as normal. As this device has Bluetooth, it will have already been discovered. So just click Go to Add, put in your Wi-Fi details and wait for the setup to finish. Once completed, choose a location, edit the name if you wish and press Done. That's all you need to do to set up a gateway, so let's pair up a switch. Before first use, slide off the back cover and remove the battery isolation tab. To get the switch into pairing mode, press and hold either of the buttons for 10 seconds. The green light will start to flash. To add the switch to the ROBUS Connect app, you must add it via the gateway. When the switch is flashing, click into the gateway, click on Search New Device, confirm that the switch is in pairing mode, and the switch will pop up on the screen when pairing is completed. Again, select a location for the switch and choose a name if desired. If you go back to the home screen, you'll see the switch is listed as its own device. With the Switch Connect now paired up, we want to attach an action to one of the buttons. This action can be any existing scene, a new scene, or an individual action for a device. Here we are going to add an action to the first button that will toggle the floor lamp in the sitting room on or off when we use a short press. From the home screen, click into the switch. By swiping the top, we can pick the button we want to configure. Selecting button 1, we now click on Add Intelligence, which brings up a screen similar to the normal automation setup. We edit our name. The name isn't important, and I usually just call it press, double or long for my reference, so I'll call this press. Next, we add a condition by pressing the plus, and we want this to work with a single click, so we select that. Now we just select the action we want to do when that button is clicked. The options are to run a scene, enable or disable an automation from running, or device. We are going to control the device directly, so we choose device. The device we want is the floor lamp, and the action we want is to switch. And we want on off, which means it will turn on if off and vice versa. Just click confirm and save and we're all done. The button is now configured. The double click and long press actions are done in exactly the same way. So I've fully configured this Switch Connect using all 6 control options for use in the sitting room. In the sitting room here we have an RGBW GLS Connect in the floor lamp, we have a tunable white GLS in the ceiling, and above the window we have 2 Ultimum Connect downlights. On button 1, a single press will turn all the lights on or off. A double press will set all the lights at 10%. And a long press will bring the lights back to 100%. On button 2, a single press sets all the lights to warm white. A double press sets them to neutral white. And a long press will set them to cool white. The buttons are completely configurable. So for any one button, you could adjust brightness or colour temperature for any light in this room or any room in the house. Because the Switch Connect can be mounted anywhere, it's not just useful for controlling devices. It can also be used to correct awkward placement of existing switches without any rewiring. In this room we've got double doors, which means that the wired switch is either far into the room, or if the door is open, it's behind the door. The placement of the couch also makes using the switch inconvenient. One option will be to mount the switch just inside the door here, but instead we're going to mount it outside as you walk into the room on the wall here. For more information on the ROBUS CONNECT range, visit robus.com. Set up a gateway, power up a switch.
Yes. Yeah.
That's all you need to do to That's all you need to do to set up the gateway. Someone doesn't have their phone on silent.